Oh my God, there's lava coming, Albert!
Let's have some fun! Galleta! Oh, look out!
Two! Three!
Ah, look!
Four!
Ah, look!
Five!
Ah, sabi na to!
Wow! Matchbox Playset!
Oh. So far, I push it. Ah! Wow!
Wow, Albert! Very nice. It's the off-road. It's the HotWheels off-road collection. And you have a Toyota. What is this?
I don't know what's that.
Let me see. Can you see what it says? It's another Toyota, Albert. Yeah. What about this one?
IWC.
IWC.
Yeah.
You take a look closer. Look what it says, Albert. Wait. Look at this. Look at
Mercedes.
this. Yeah, that's right. It's a Mercedes.
And this one? What is this? What is this?
I don't know. Can you show me? That's a Chevrolet.
Chevrolet.
Yeah.
And,
Again.
Land Rover.
That's right, Land Rover.
And how about the big one?
Wow, Albert. It's the Volcano playset.
Yes.
Can you spell volcano?
V E V O
V-O.
and
Can we spell volcano together?
yeah, VOLCANO.
Volcano.
Volcano. Can you spell Matchbox?
Yeah.
MATCHBOX. Matchbox.
That's right.
See? Look. Ah. Let's do it. Let's open highway up. Toyota. Look, it's blue. It's blue. He can drive over the sand.
Yeah, because it's an off-road car.
one driving the sand too. Look. Two Toyota. They're Toyota. Toyota. He got so many lights.
Yeah.
And he can see. Do you hear the sound?
Yeah. They're the birds.
Let's open this. The one on the left that we open this, the big volcano. Oh! It's tweet. And that's Land Rover.
Yeah, that's a Land Rover.
Okay, now for the Matchbox Playset.
Okay. Wow, Albert, he's so huge.
Yeah, it's a volcano.
Yeah. You want me to open it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's open it.
Hello.
Hi. Oh man, it's so huge, Albert.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Quite. Oh, look. That's the car.
Yeah.
That's the car.
Yeah.
Why is it over there?
Wow, look at this. Very nice.
Give me that one.
Looks like a Jeep.
Can I go fire?
See? Look.
What can I do?
There's a guy here. See? He's singing.
Let me see.
Wow, Albert. That's a volcano.
Yes, and it floats and makes to.
Yeah, it has the lava inside.
I see.
Yeah.
Ah! Now fire.
It has an elevator. See?
I gonna put it.
Oh, look! He has a gorilla! Look guys, there's a gorilla here.
And look at the butt. And look at this in the back.
Wow, this is gonna take us a while, Albert. I'm gonna do a magic trick.
Ta-da!
There it is! Oh my god, there's lava coming, Albert! Oh no! It's shaking!
Fully emergency alarm! Warning. Seismic activity.
Uh-oh. The volcano's coming. We need to hurry up. Every car needs to hurry up.
Oh no, lava's coming! Oh!
This one must...
Let's do it again.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh!
Uh-oh. The bridge is shaking.
Fully emergency
Oh, the
alarm.
bridge is shaking?
Yeah, because the fire did it. The fire is coming away. Uh-oh. Lava's coming soon. Uh-oh. It's coming. It's coming.
Oh no, Albert! It's gonna explode! Oh!
Time the lava comes. It's rolling like a marble.
Can you put it here? Look at the gorilla! Oh no! The gorilla's broken the way! Okay, thank you, gorilla.
He gave you her sticky butt. Look. He's smelly. Look, it's a poo.
Oh.
That's a gorilla poo. Yeah, we need to save peace someone. Arrive. Arrive. Uh-oh.
Everyone is safe.
Yeah, everyone's safe. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.